Durham Highway Pump 160, Raleigh Engine 23, Interstate response. At I-540 eastbound, at I-540 eastbound, on channel TAC 22, map 26 com, Interstate response.
Engine 11 all the way.
Raleigh Fire Engine 23 is right on TAC 22.
Durham Highway Rescue 16's on 22.
Okay, EMS to all units. It looks like we're going to be westbound. That's where the traffic's clogging up. We're going to be coming up on the inbound lane. I mean, ETA. Looks like we got some smoke showing in the distance as well. Fire dudes, copy last traffic. Westbound, be advised, EMS 49. We're going to have 540 shut down westbound.
Copy, 540 shut down westbound side. Let me know what additional sources you need, if anything.
Copy. We're pulling up right now. I'm going to give you a single responder en route as well.
10-4.
Westbound District 4. Contact 22.
District 4.
Computer's up. Grade 540 to the next alarm. All right, stand by. As far as we can see right now, we got 2 ambulatory patients. One.
District 4 from Rescom. I filled the box. Do you want an additional alarm after that?
Negative. We'll hold it to 60 and 49. We can advise on more.
Sounds good.
All right, looks like we're going to have multiple accidents all up down this highway. We're going to be on the first accident with the cargo van and the white vehicle. We got some mild smoke showing. Want to get the fallen occupants out of the vehicle at this time. Other than that, we might need another truck to head up the road a little bit.
TAC 22 from Durham Highway.
EMS 49 from Engine 11. Engine 11. Okay, you said you're on. Where are you at? We passed one accident where a box truck's going into the wires. Copy. We're westbound right now. Just past Creedmoor. I see another fire truck heading up from behind us. I think that might be all.
Hey, all units from Durham Highway, let me have the radio. TAC 22 from Durham Highway.
Medic 95, MVC, at I-540 westbound and Creedmoor Road, at I-540 westbound and Creedmoor Road, mile marker 9, I-540 westbound, channel TAC 22, map 26 com.
Medic 95 is en route. EMS 49, District 4. District 4. What are you coming from? Passing Abbotswood on Creedmoor Road. Copy. We're going to be just on the on-ramp of Creedmoor Road. It sounds like we can try to go up to wherever that 30-car accident is where we're at, because we just sound like we might have maybe a 2 transport hosts and just some people with minor pain. How many ambulance resources do we got coming?
We have a first alarm, and they're checking with Durham County and a few other counties coming.
MVC, at I-540 westbound and Creedmoor Road, at I-540 westbound and Creedmoor Road, at mile marker 9, I-540 westbound, Raleigh Engine 18, Northern Ladder 35, on channel TAC 22, MVC.
4 ambulances.
Copy.
District 4 from Durham Highway 16. If you can give me one medic truck that'll be coming from the eastbound, coming from Lake Report this way, have him stop prior to Creedmoor Road near the rescue truck. I currently, in triage all patients, I currently got 1 patient so far complaining of back and neck pain as involved in a wreck with an 18-wheeler.
Knickerbocker, do you need us up there or back here with EMS 49?
Right now, I just need 540 shut down. I got cars going everywhere through all my instances down here. And I could use one other fire engine, either U-35, just to assist.
Okay, we're on our way up to you then. Car 16's en route.
Raleigh Engine 4, MVC, at I-540 westbound and Creedmoor Road, at I-540 westbound and Creedmoor Road, at number 9, I-540 westbound, on channel TAC 22, map 26 com.
Ladder 30 in route tech 22.
Durham Highway from Raleigh Central. We've patched with mutual aid. Copy. We've patched in mutual aid 2 for out of county EMS coming in. If you have any problems, let us know and we'll break the patch. Also, engine 30. Copy. And engine 23 was out of service. Got them replaced with engine 4 for you.
Cancel engine 4. I got 23 on scene. Thank you. 11 from Durham High. A square box truck in the middle lane with a medic truck in front of it. If you would, stop at him and start trying to divert traffic to the right-hand shoulder.
Excellent, copy.
EMS 60 MVC at I-540 westbound and Creedmoor Road at I-40 westbound and Creedmoor Road at mile marker 940 westbound on channel TAC 22 app 26 top.
Medical to EMS 43. Copy. All EMS units around, if you could divert to come down 540 eastbound towards Six Forks Road and towards Creedmoor, that'll be your easiest route to get you in and out. If you're already committed, just let us know. We'll try to weave you up through it.
Ladder 35 on scene, waiting to stop. 35. Stage where you're at, shut down 540.
43 District 4.
District 4.
Hey, we're coming north on Creedmoor. What's going to be the best entrance point for us?
So you'll have to get on westbound and just weave your way up through it. We're trying to get you to it as close as we can. When you get here, you're going to assume triage. We're doing a patient count now of numbers.
Copy, we'll start weaving.
Medical for West Common Tech 22.
Medical, go ahead.
18 driver, 18 miles. You got any patients over there?
Engine 18, stand by for just one. Medical, go ahead for rest.
Can you give me a total ambulance count, not including 49, and Granville County EMS is on scene? Repeat that last check. District 4. Talking to rest count 49. Copy.
I'm ladder 35. If you go to the right shoulder and come around us, you can get up to the scene.
We have 0 patients out of 12 vehicles.
Engine 18 driver. Go ahead, Captain. Hey, if your captain's all right, you move north or past this incident and try to block for 23. They got an incident that's also in the middle of 540.
Copy that. Yeah, Agent 18 driver, come up here. I'm at the first incident, and you'll around the first one and block this one. I'm right here.
On the way. 23 driver to Durham Highway Command.
For fire command.
I don't need that truck coming up this way until we get some of these vehicles out the roadway. If you can keep them stalled down there until we get to go ahead to move to the shoulder.
Yeah, I got engine 18. He's going to help block that middle lane. We're trying to get all the traffic from here to Creedmoor Road moved so we can get a truck in here.
Medical for Medic 95. Will Six Forks westbound 540 be my best way to?
Yeah, you just have to weave through the traffic when you get here.
Copy, thank you.
Medical from 31. We're on scene by 49. So if you'll keep coming up till you see the Granville County truck parked in front of, we got a car of 6 patients and a baby evaluation. 3. She's a fine turn. We're facing the face.
All right, 10-4. Thank you.
23 also in fire command.
Medic 95 is approaching the scene. Medical for Medic 95. Where would you like me at? It's just past EMS 49.
95, if you just come on up and help with triage of a few of these vehicles up here. If you'll go past 63 up to engine 18 and 23, just make sure there's no more patients up there. That other accident ahead of this thing.
6-3 to medical. Where do you want us to bring our stretcher?
If you come down in the car at 31, the car has 6 people in it. Medical at EMS 49. EMS 49 to medical.
Ladder 35 forward, the trooper up here to the tractor trailer past tanker 56.
He's already walking, bro.
We have that big stop now.
Fire command, all you go face to face with the trooper, advise him where to go.
He's by the IMAP vehicle to get him.
Tell me, keep coming at the IMAP, come around the right side of the tractor trailer.
Medical to all responding EMS units and all EMS units on scene. Before you transport, make sure you're allowed. Tell District 3 which hospital you go to and how many patients.
EMS 49 copy.
49 District 3.
Go ahead.
I have at least 5 patients individually in my rec. It sounds like 2 are going to be refusals from the church van, but we got at least three transports on our end over here. Do we have any other like I need to be able to handle up my refusals because I got to start doing some pain management for another patient of mine.
We'll see what we can do. Would you copy that? Getting 49 some more resources.
I copy. EMS 60. If you'll proceed down and take the Creedmoor exit, loop back around, if you'll help 49. In right.
Medical from Chief 102.
Medical.
Alright, just for some overwatch, it looks like you got 5 EMS units assigned to your call. It looks like you got Granville and Durham County as mutual aid, but I'm not sure exactly how many units are coming. Is that going to suffice, or do you need to get you more resources?
Copy. Granville units on scene. 1 Durham unit is making a U-turn. I think they have a second one en route. And I think we'll be good unless we find some more patients.
Alright, 10-4.
Durham County Medic 25, Medical Command.
Medical.
Medic 25, I'm approaching the scene. I have a second truck approximately 5 to 10 minutes behind me. Where do you need us?
We're ready to just pass the scene, making a U-turn on Creedmoor.
Yeah, 10-4, I'm coming up the on-ramp to westbound now.
Copy. If you'll keep coming forward past the Granville County truck, there'll be a Spectrum work truck up here. If you'll just park in front of that, with the other few ambulance.
Okay, 10-4.
Rescom to command on TAC 22.
Go for command.
Wake Med switched to their mass casualty channel and they're having radio issues. They wanted us to let you know.
Thank you.
Rescom Chief 102. Which Wake Med was that?
Maine.
10-4.
Go for Medic 95.
Medical.
I checked with all these patients. I possibly have 1 refusal up here.
Perfect, sir.
Command from 23 officers.
Go for command.
We have all the vehicles off the road, and we're cleaning 3 at this time.
Over that.
Durham County Medic 29, 2 medics are coming eastbound from Leesville Road. Where do you want us?
So, 540 eastbound. If you'll just pull in front of engine T3 behind Durham Highway on the eastbound side, we may be done. We're just doing the final walk through for no
Simple.
not for the EMS 49 or EMS 60.
35 officer from command.
Go ahead, command.
Disregard. Ladder 35 driver from command.
35 driver, go ahead.
If that trooper's down near his car, can you just make contact with him if he's alright? We start getting all the debris out of the road.
Durham Medic 25 to Durham Medic 29. Go ahead. You can stay on phone. 10-4 if you're sure we're good. Yeah, we're good.
19 totals, 9 refusals, 10 transports, 10-4. And when District 3 has a chance, if I can get a hospital donation. District 3, guys.
It's actually going to be 10 refusals, 9 supports. We got 6 to Briar Creek, 3 to Wake Med North, and 10 refusals.
Alright, 10-4, 6 to Briar Creek, 3 to North. Were they all ambulatory going to Briar Creek by chance?
Yes, everybody's ambulatory.
18 officer from command. Who you calling?
A paramedic checks out a person down here is complaining of injury.
Granville was empty. Command from 935.
You go for command.
So we still have heavy traffic coming from Creedmoor. Is law enforcement supposed to be shutting 40 down?
No, I think they're going to get lane open.
It's hindering emergency responders getting here.
Medical, go ahead for static. Medical on TAC 22. Are you calling EMS 60?
Yes, ma'am. Just make sure you're 10-4 down there.
We are. All of we handle. They're refused, and we do have transport 49 is going to do. We're basically just trying to get turned around here and get cleared up. But everything's good down here. We don't need any other resources.
Copy. When you're done, you can go with service. 95 for medical.
Go ahead.
You 10-4 down there with patient.
Probably that secured my last refusal.
Perfect. Thank you.
35 officer from command.
Go ahead, command.
Alright, where are your app headed? 11 will grab your cones when they're going to clear. You can leave your cones where they're at, and you can clear your apparatus.
Louder, sir. Go ahead, 60 for medical.
Medical EMS 16.
Medical.
Hey, we cleared up down here, and we've actually made it off highway. Do you need anything else from us?
No, sir, you're good to go. Thank you.
All right, be safe. Have a good day.
Westcon Medical on Tag 22.
Medical, go ahead.
Both Durham County trucks have been cleared. Granville's attempting to leave the scene now. Just FYI.
Copy that. Durham County trucks are clear and Granville attempting to leave scene.
Fire command to medical command. Medical from fire command.
All right, you can take that patient at EMS 43.
Got it.
EMS 49, District 3.
Go ahead.
We're going to be en route with 3 to Wakeman North.
Copy that. 3 to Wayman North.